Hello all, welcome to Gurukul CAT 100 series, a series designed to take you from your study room to your corporate boardroom. I am Deepak and this is Daily Quant with Deepak. Hi all, welcome back to day 60 of 100 days to CAT Quant series. In this video, we'll be discussing 5 questions from number system. So whenever a question is displayed on the screen, pause the video, try solving that question. Once you're done solving, you can resume the video. If you find this video helpful, like the video, share this video with your friends who are preparing for CAT, and most importantly, for more videos of this kind, subscribe to this channel. In case if you want to attempt these 5 questions in the form of a test, you can sign up in our portal, thegurukul.org.in. The link is provided in the description. Once you sign up, you will get an access to a course called 100 Days Race to CAT, in which there will be 3 sections: Quant, VRC, and LRDA. We'll be uploading 100 tests in each section. So if you're a serious CAT 2025 aspirant, you cannot afford missing these tests. And these tests are absolutely for free. And without any further delay, let's get started with the first question. Ramesh typed a 4-digit number on his calculator. He multiplied it with 12. He added 39 to it. He subtracted 36 dozens from that number and then multiplied the resultant number by 24. The number that he got was 25x2536. He cannot say digit x because the calculator was malfunctioning. What could be the digit x from amongst the choices? Now, one way of answering this question is going through options, right? Now let's look at the other way, right? So let the number be n. Now what did Ramesh do with that number? He multiplied it by 12. He then added 39 to it, plus 39. He subtracted 36 dozens from that number. So 36 dozens, so into 12. And then multiplied the resultant number by 24. So this complete number then multiplied with 24. The number that he got was in the form 2, 5, x, 2, 5, 3, 6. Now you can do reverse engineering here. You can consider the value of x as to divide that with 24, right? And again add 36 plus 12 minus 39, divide it with by 12. Then you need to check whether you are getting a 4-digit number or not, right? Now you have to do that for all the options, otherwise, right? Now this is n into 12 into 24. Now let me expand this: n into 12 into 24 plus 39 into 24 minus 36 into 12 into 24. So this is n into, let's prime factorize 12. So 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 into 24, 2 cube into 3 plus 39, 13 into 3 into 24, 2 cube into 3 minus 36, 2 square into 3 square into 12, 2 square into 3 into 24, 3 into 2 cube, right? So this would be n into 2 power 5 into 3 square plus 13 into 2 power 3 into 3 square minus 2 plus 2 plus 3, 2 power 7 into 3 power 4, right? Now what can I take common? I can take 3 square common. So this will be n into 2 power 5 plus 13 into 2 cube minus 3 square into 2 power 7, and this is in the form 25x 2536, right? Now what is 3 square? 9, right? So this has to be multiple of 9, so this should be divisible by 9. What is the divisibility rule of 9? Sum of all the digits should be multiple of 9. Now 2 plus 5, 7, 2 plus 5, 7, 3 plus 6, 9, you can ignore. 7 plus 7, 14. So 14 plus x should be a multiple of 9. So what should be the value of x? The value of x has to be 4 only, right? So the answer for this question should be option B. Now coming to the second question, how many factors of 1296 have exactly 3 factors, right? So if we have any number having odd number of factors, that means it is a perfect square. And if we have any number having exactly 3 factors, that means the number is a perfect square of prime number, right? Now, how many factors of 1296 have exactly 3 factors? So those numbers should be squares of prime numbers. So how can we factorize 1296? 1296 is nothing but 36 square, right? So 36, 2 square into 3 square power 2. So that would be 2 power 4 into 3 power 4. Right. So how many prime factors are there? 2 and 3. Right. So squares of them 4 and 9. You have two factors of 1296 that have exactly 3 factors. So the answer for this question should be option 2. Now coming to the third question. In how many ways 1000 can be written as the sum of two or more consecutive natural numbers? Right. Now first let's prime factorize 1000. Now 1000 is nothing but 10 cube. So 2 into 5 whole power 3. Now this is equal to 2 power 3 into 5 power 3. Right. So the number of ways any number can be written as the sum of two or more consecutive natural numbers would be, right. Now all you need to do is you need to consider only the odd factors of that number. How many odd factors are there? Right. So there are 4 odd factors: 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3. Right. So you have 4 odd factors. From that, you need to subtract 1. Right. So 4 minus 1, 3 should be the answer to this question. So whenever you come across a question where you are asked to find in how many ways a number can be written as the sum of two or more consecutive natural numbers, then all you need to do is you need to first find the number of odd factors of that number. From that, you need to subtract 1. Right. So that will give you the number of ways in which that number that could be written as a sum of two or more consecutive numbers. Now coming to the next question. What is the highest power of 5 in 150 factorial? Now whenever you are asked to find the highest power of x in n factorial, when x is a prime number, right, all you need to do is you need to first divide n factorial by x and apply integral function. Right. Then let us divide this by x again and apply integral function and so on until and unless you get the integral value of the part being 0. Right. So here we have 150 by 5. Now we have 30 plus integral part of 30 by 5. Sorry, 30 by 5. Now this will be 6 plus integral part of 6 by 5. Now this would be 1 plus integral part of 1 by 5. Now this is 0. Now let's stop here. Now all you need to do is you need to add these three. 30 plus 6 plus 1. 37 should be the answer to this question. Now coming to the last question. When 10 power 100 is divided by 7, the remainder is. So we are asked to find the remainder when 10 power 100 when divided by 7. Now what is the remainder when 10 is divided by 7? 3. So let me write this as 3 power 100 divided by 7. Right. Now first you need to find the term which is in the form of 3 power something closest to multiple of 7. Right. So 3 cube 27 is closest to 7, right, multiple of 7. Right. So let me write this as 3 cube power 33. So 3 into 33 is 99, but we need to have 3 power 100. So let me multiply this with 3 and let me divide this with 7. Now what is 3 cube? 27. So 27 power 33 divided by 7 into 3. Now what's the remainder when 27 divided by 7? The remainder is either 6 or minus 1. Right. So let us consider the negative remainder here. So 27 divided by 7, the remainder is minus 1. Minus 1 power 33 into 3 by 7. Now minus 1 to odd power will be minus 1. So minus 1 into 3 by 7. So the remainder is minus 3. Guys, this is not 3. The remainder is minus 3. But the answer for the remainder should always be positive. Now from negative remainder, how should we get positive remainder? All you need to do is you need to add that negative remainder to the divisor. So minus 3 plus 7, 4, and that should be the answer to this question.
Hope you enjoyed learning from today's session.
This series is designed to help you with your CAT preparation and practice daily. We are with you in this journey.
To watch the next video, click here. And to watch Gurukul's CAT 100 series, study room to boardroom, the entire playlist, click here.
If you learned from today's session, like, share
Sabarakai,
and subscribe.